Hi everybody, my name's Kaylee. I am a moderator for the Natural Chaos group, and first and foremost, thank you for watching my video and for being a member of our amazing group. The group would not be possible without all our incredible members, so thank you. Kim asked me to make a video in regards to a couple topics that have been brought up by members recently that have been a little bit concerning. So I'm going to discuss a couple things. Full disclosure, I am a registered nurse. This is something all of the admins and moderators knew, but it's not something that I have openly discussed in the group because working as a nurse is my livelihood. I just want to remind the group that this information is not to be taken as medical advice. If you have a particular question or concern, or you've experienced one of these symptoms that I'm about to go over or complication, you really should talk to your doctor. This information is meant for educational purposes only and should not be taken out of that realm. All right, so breast augmentation using filler. This might be appealing initially because it seems like it's less complicated than surgery. If somebody's afraid of going under the knife, they're afraid of the recovery process, this could be something that they would be interested in. Obviously, it's a lower price point than surgery, and it's minimally invasive and less downtime. So those factors can make it quite appealing. However, it comes with really high complication rates. One of the main issues that I found when I was doing my research is that the placement of filler requires repetitive injections, just like any filler placement. But because this is being placed in the breast tissue, it can stimulate cell change, and then as a result of this, you can increase your risk of breast cancer. So that's pretty dangerous. It can also lead to nodule formation, and removal of these nodules can require surgery and be potentially problematic in the future. And the reasoning is it's incredibly difficult for practitioners to determine if something is filler or a nodule or a tumor. So nodules or inflammation caused by fillers can cause difficulties in breast cancer screening in the future during the physical examination part. They're also difficult to differentiate with imaging. An MRI can differentiate if it's filler or a tumor, and obviously a biopsy can. But issues with MRIs is they're expensive and they're not readily available. So it's not like you can just walk down the street and get an MRI to tell your doctor you put filler in your boobs. So the takeaway from this is that breast filler can interfere with the early diagnosis of breast cancer. So don't do it. It's putting your life at risk, and it's incredibly dangerous. Not to mention that the areas are incredibly vascular. You probably don't have an at-home ultrasound machine to ensure the correct placement, and it's risky. You're risking infection, you're risking all kinds of things, so don't do it. Some alternatives could be, I don't know, a padded bra. Victoria's Secret usually has sales, so I would suggest going there, or some chicken cutlets. Well-made chicken cutlets can really boost you up a couple sizes, and 9 times out of 10, nobody has any idea you're wearing them. All right, so that is my mini safety video on the risks and complications of using filler for breast augmentation. I hope that you were able to take something away from it or learn something you didn't know. Or if you're potentially thinking of doing this to yourself, you realize that that would be really stupid and you're not going to do it anymore. So thank you for watching, and my next video I think will be on the risks of using filler for buttock augmentation. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you.